Lambers. Jen, good morning to you. Lots of sunshine out there this past weekend.
That's exactly right, Chelsea. Good morning to you too. Things look nice out there so far to start off this morning. Clear conditions across the southeast. Begin to see some of those showers just further towards the south, towards the Gulf. We need some of those, but not quite seeing them heading into today. Now looking in just a little bit closer, looking like a clear and sunny time out there to start off for this morning. A beautiful beginning, and temperatures right now resting. We're seeing a range of the upper 70s and some of those lower to mid 80s, especially as you head closer towards the coast. A bit warmer, especially Pensacola right now, 86 degrees, but Mobile 82, along with Fairhope 85 and Destin. And then checking in on the dew points out there, that measurement of humidity. Right now what we're starting to see is a mixture of the mid 60s there in Mobile Regional. Elsewhere, however, really beginning to see some of those mid 70s, especially closer towards the coast. So the feels like temperatures already feeling like 94 in Destin, feeling like 91 in Pensacola, and feeling like 84 in Mobile, despite a lot of areas resting in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. Now over the next few hours, temperatures we're going to be warming up into the lower to mid 90s. However, feeling more like the upper 90s due to that higher humidity. We had a slight break just on Saturday morning. If you stepped outside, it felt a little bit nicer, but unfortunately that was very short-lived. Now coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, tracking the tropics and heading into the weekend. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.
Talk about the forecast. Jen, we're taking a look behind you. You got some tropic stuff behind you, I see. Hopefully not too bad.
Not too bad. Just a problem for the fish. Really something that's better news, and especially as we approach closer. Really yesterday, today, statistically, the peak of hurricane season. Typically, we see around the 10th and the 11th of September, but we still have quite a bit of the season left to go. Now, checking in on two of our name systems out there. The first one, Hurricane Lee. Right now, those sustained winds 120 miles per hour, Category 3 storm, tracking northwest at 8 miles per hour. Now still looking pretty impressive, but Lee encountered some of that harsh wind shear, so that's really what knocked down some of those categories over the past few days. Now also we are tracking Tropical Storm Margot as well at this time. Those sustained winds 65 miles per hour. Margot continuing just to track further really towards the north, expected to strengthen back up to that hurricane strength, that Category 1 strength by the time we get closer towards midweek, and then just meandering around the central Atlantic. So truly just staying a problem for the fish. We'll continue to monitor the tropics and keep you updated. Still keeping a close eye on some other areas, but I'll have a look at that coming up in just a little bit. Right now, checking in on conditions down in Orange Beach at this time, mid 80s for the temperatures, feeling nice, seeing plenty of sunshine, but those dew points lower to mid 70s, so feeling like 91. But you know what? You can just barely see some of the water out there. Looking absolutely beautiful, calm, and expected to stay that way for the next few days. Taking a look at satellite and radar across the southeast, clear conditions at this time, and expecting more sunshine and warmer temperatures heading into today. Now coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the full week ahead of us. All of that's coming up soon. Joe.